Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video in which we are going to see a very important Chrome extension related to ChatGPT, and it is UseChatGPT.AI. This is one of the important Chrome extensions that you can use in order to improve your productivity. So first of all, we are going to install this Chrome extension. So I will give this link in the description section as well, from where you can install the Chrome extension. So let's quickly go to the Chrome browser over here. I'll simply paste this URL. So over here simply you need to install this extension, that is UseChatGPT.AI. So I'll quickly add it to Chrome. So as you can see, this extension has been installed on my Chrome browser, and this is the official website that is opened in order to provide you the information as to how you can use this extension. So guys, over here quickly I will use this extension. So over here we will simply pin this extension. So how do we use this? So over here, first of all, when you right click over here, you need to click on this Use ChatGPT. So once we click on this, as you can see, we are getting this, please log in to ChatGPT to continue. So guys, basically we need to log into the ChatGPT in order to use this extension. So I will click on this login to ChatGPT, and over here, since I have already logged in, as you can see, now we can provide our required prompts in this Chrome extension and click on generate. So guys, what we will do is, first of all, we will write this prompt, that is to write the Python code to add first 10 natural numbers. So I'll quickly copy this line and paste this over here inside the Chrome extension. So we will paste this over here and click on generate. So now it is generating. As you can see, it is very fast over here. It is taking the response from the ChatGPT. We will get the entire code in order to find the sum of the first 10 natural numbers over here. So as you can see, the response is completed now. So what I will do is, we can simply copy this response using this copy to clipboard button as well. Now what we will do is, we will verify whether this code is correct or not. So I'll simply copy these lines of code from the Python code. I'll simply copy this, and what we will do is, we will check in the online Python compiler. So over here we will search for Python compiler. So the first compiler that we get is from the programmist.com. So let us use that, and then over here simply we will copy paste the lines of code that we have got from the UseChatGPT.AI Chrome extension. As you can see, logically the sum is initialized as 0, and then we are using the for loop in order to add the numbers from 1 to 10, and then we are also getting the sum of first 10 natural numbers is the sum. So guys, let me just run this code over here. So as you can see, the sum of first 10 natural numbers is 55, which is absolutely correct, and this is how we can simply use this UseChatGPT.AI Chrome extension in order to achieve our task. Now guys, there are many other options that you can provide in this Chrome extension. As you can see, we have this Use ChatGPT button over here. When we click on this, as you can see, we have improve writing or fix spelling and grammar, make shorter, make longer, and so on. There are many other options. So let us say we want to make this response as shorter. So when we click on this make shorter, it will automatically prompt the required sentence over here, and we will get the response over here. As you can see, we are getting the answer, that is Python code to add first 10 numbers, and we are getting the entire code and the output as well. So guys, it becomes very important that you can use this Chrome extension absolutely free in order to achieve your task. Let us move to another prompt over here. Write an email to a colleague John to set meeting for 10 minutes at 12 p.m. So let us copy this line and we will paste it inside this Chrome extension, and then let's click on generate. So as you can see, we are getting the response from the UseChatGPT.AI Chrome extension. It is very fast, and we have got the entire response over here. Let us see what is the response. Over here I'll simply copy the entire response and paste this inside the Notepad++. So this is some kind of an email, that is meeting request for today at 12 p.m. Dear John, and then I hope this email finds you well. I'm writing to request a brief meeting with you at 12 p.m. today. Would it be possible to meet for 10 minutes to discuss a matter of importance? So guys, within a matter of 5 seconds, we were able to draft this entire email, which would have taken us at least 5 minutes in order to draft this. And this is the power of this ChatGPT Chrome extension over here that you can use to achieve your task. Now guys, let's say we want to write a tweet about the benefits of Java programming language. So what we can do is, simply I have opened a website over here which is telling us the top 10 advantages of Java programming language to set up your career. So guys, over here we have the top 10 pointers of the various advantages of the Java programming language. What we can simply do is, we can select all the advantages over here on this website. So basically I'll show you how you can make this short using the Chrome extension that we have just used. So as you can see, after selecting the entire text on this website, we are getting this use ChatGPT button over here. So once we click on this, basically we can use this make shorter option in order to summarize all the advantages of the Java programming language. So once we click on this, as you can see, we have provided the prompt over here to the extension. Now we can simply get the response over here. So we have got the entire response over here showing us the top 10 advantages of the Java programming language. But can we tweet this response? No, because Twitter has a limit of some characters. So basically what we can do is, again, we can use this and make it more shorter. So as you can see, now it is a bit short, and this is what we can simply copy and paste on our Twitter in order to tweet this response. There are many other functions that you can use. As you can see, we have the summarize as well. We have the translate as well. So from English, we can translate it to different languages. Let's say we want to translate it into Spanish. So we can simply click on this Spanish, and as you can see, we are getting the response in Spanish language. So guys, install this Chrome extension, play around this Chrome extension and see how you can improve your productivity. Make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to this channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.